Today I'm going to show you how to download your Wix website as a PDF. This is incredibly useful if you need to archive your site, share it offline, or present your design to clients or team members without requiring internet access. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account using your credentials. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Site and Mobile App and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, click on Website. This action takes you to the main control area for your website where you can access all its settings and features. Now that you're on this page, take a moment to preview the website settings you have configured. This step is important because you want to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to download as a PDF. If you manage multiple sites, double-checking here prevents any confusion later on. From this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll find on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to editing and previewing your site in detail. Click on it to proceed to the next stage of the process. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to designing and customizing your site. Here, look for the Preview button located on the top right part of your screen. The preview function is essential because it allows you to see exactly how your website appears to visitors, which is exactly what you want to capture in your PDF. Once you're in preview mode, you're almost at the finish line. Simply right-click anywhere on your screen and from the context menu that appears, select Print. This might seem counterintuitive since you're not actually printing, but this is the standard method for converting web pages to PDF format. A print dialog box will appear on your screen. From this print page, locate the destination drop-down menu. Click on it and select Save as PDF from the available options. This tells your browser to convert the page into a PDF file rather than sending it to a physical printer. Once you've selected this option, click the Save button located on the bottom part of the print page. Your browser will prompt you to choose where you'd like to save the file on your computer. And that's it. Your Wix website is now saved as a PDF file that you can access anytime, even without an internet connection. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.